Another day, another soup recipe for you. I'm excited to show you this one because it's easy, delicious, and pretty healthy. Welcome to the Silly Kitchen. Let's get right to it. We are making a carrot soup with some delicious curry flavor added into it to spice it up and warm it up a bit. We only need a few ingredients, so let's start with carrots, potato, and an onion. This is one of the easiest soups because everything is done in one pot and very little steps, like 1, 2, 3. So let's head over to the stock pot and get everything ready to cook. Our chopped up carrot, potato, and onion go into our soup pot, and we're gonna cover it up with 4 cups of vegetable stock. If you have chicken stock, that works too, but I'm gonna keep this one vegetarian, so I am using vegetable stock. We're gonna season right away with salt and pepper, and then add in 1 teaspoon of cumin and 1 teaspoon of curry powder. Give it a little mix, let those ingredients all kind of go together, cover your pot, and let it come to a simmer, and let it cook for 30 to 40 minutes. You know you are ready to take the next step when your vegetables and your potato and onion is all nice and soft, because we are going to take the immersion blender to it and get it all nice and smooth. Once your soup is smooth, you've got all those chunks out, you are ready to enjoy. But if you want to add a little bit of creaminess to this, I often, to my carrot soup, any carrot soup, add a can of coconut milk. It is such a wonderful flavor, gives it a different kind of sweetness from that carrot, and sort of balances out those curry and cumin flavors in there. Give it a try if you haven't done that before. This is a flavor profile that I absolutely love in this carrot soup. I hope that you give it a try. If you want to do a little bit of a different one, I know I have a carrot and ginger soup recipe somewhere on my website too. So take a look at that on thesillykitchen.com. Thank you so much for stopping by. Till next time.